The Montessori method was developed by Dr. Maria Montessori in the early 1900s, after years of studying child development. She combined her background in medicine, psychology, and anthropology to design an approach that met the natural needs of the child. Montessori education is built on 4 planes of development: 0 to 6, early childhood; 6 to 12, elementary; 12 to 18, adolescence; 18 to 24, maturity. The method is designed as a continuum, so learning naturally progresses from one stage to the next. Montessori is not just a set of classroom techniques, it's a philosophy of respect for the child. It sees the child as naturally eager for knowledge and capable of initiating learning when given the right environment. Lessons, materials, and pace are tailored to each child. The teacher observes where they are developmentally and supports them individually, rather than teaching the whole class in the same way. Children enjoy freedom to choose their work, move around, and work at their own pace, but within boundaries that teach respect for people, materials, and time. The classroom is carefully designed to invite exploration. Child-sized furniture, natural light, uncluttered spaces, and materials arranged in sequence from simple to complex. Children are grouped in 3-year age spans: 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12. This encourages collaboration, peer learning, and social development in a real community setting. The Montessori teacher, or guide, is not the center of attention. Their main role is to observe each child closely to see when they are ready for new challenges, and then connect them with the right materials at the right time. Montessori classrooms use concrete, tactile materials to make abstract ideas real. For example, golden beads for place value or sandpaper letters for learning sounds through touch. Dr. Montessori believed children educate themselves through purposeful work. Materials are self-correcting and encourage children to practice until they master a concept, without relying on adult correction. Activities like pouring, polishing, and sorting may seem simple, but they build the concentration, coordination, and order needed for reading, writing, and math. Sensorial work sharpens the senses and prepares the mind for abstract thinking. Subjects are introduced in a logical order: practical life, sensorial, language, mathematics, cultural studies, and spiral back at higher levels of complexity as the child grows. Montessori educators watch for sensitive periods, times when a child is especially ready for a skill. Children repeat activities by choice until mastery, deepening their focus and confidence. Montessori classrooms function as communities. Children practice conflict resolution, leadership, and empathy every day, learning how to work and live with others respectfully. There are no gold stars or punishments. Motivation comes from the joy of mastery, not from external rewards, helping children develop a lifelong love of learning. The method develops academic, physical, social, and emotional growth equally, preparing children not just for school, but for life. Over 25,000 Montessori schools exist worldwide today, in more than 100 countries, proof of its adaptability across cultures, languages, and communities.